beautiful street with a lot of artwork. And we're going to be heading down this one called Travessa da Dorna. And then we're going to go into Rosa. And then I think it's called, there's 3 patio streets that we're going to go down. So they're all going to be right there. We're also going to go by all these kind of older gentlemen playing mahjong and different Chinese games as well. So that's going to be our street, and also Inverness is right there as well. So we get a lot of cool stuff. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that's going to be where we're going to be heading. Just to give a little context, way down there is Grand Lisboa Casino. It's quite far away. Casinos aren't really near here. Sao Paulo Ruins, Sentinel Square is near here. But we're going to be heading down that way. Giving a little context before we go down. Definitely got some kind of cool artwork everywhere. So we're going to be heading down that way. That's Travessa da Dorna. And we got some kind of cool artwork here, and also all the way down this whole street, Inverness. So we're going to highlight that in a moment. Let me see here. So I think that's Meta Cafe. I think that's Becco de Rosa. So Rosa is going to be I think Dorna is that one right there still. So we're just gonna come back. I kind of want to show something to that wall in a second as well. So we're just gonna go around briefly. And we also have this little space in here. They're playing all kinds of cool games in here. So we're gonna walk all the way through here. This is also Dorna as well. And that's Inverness, Street of the Herbalist. So we're gonna take a look at this real quick. So this mural is kind of cool because you got a Portuguese ship right there, and then you also have the Macau Tower right there. You have hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. So you kind of got all this kind of cool stuff. The Portuguese ship, right? Karaoke. You also have the Chinese element too, right? It's a beautiful mix of cultures. Travessa da Dorna. Okay. So Dorna crosses into this one right here, right? So then Inverness goes down. It's actually some kind of cool artwork like this one right here for framing photos. Kind of cool like there. And I did film this one just a little while ago, so but yeah, some antique shops, all kinds of kind of cool stuff. All these little alleys down here. So we're gonna focus on Dorna. Oh, this stuff you burn. Cars, houses, cars. That's for the ancestries in the afterlife. So we're gonna go down this little alley right here. I think this is also Travessa da Dorna as well, so that I can see the street sign. So that whole thing is Dorna. And Dorna. So Dorna is this particular street, and Rosa is actually a different street. And this is kind of a cool little space in here. Oh, sorry.
How are you?
I'm very good.
Where you come from?
United States. American. American, see? Yeah. American.
Oh,
yeah, I'm American.
American.
Yeah.
How about now? Biden.
Biden, he's like, yeah, Biden's better. Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, it's very good. Need to have one.
Smart.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, that's funny. So there's Travessa de Dorna. So I want to film, but I can't film him because he doesn't want to be filmed. But so that's all Dorna, that whole street down that way, all the way down. Actually, what's this one right here? Okay, so that was Dorna right here. We're just gonna, and then we also filmed Pinga not too long ago too. So this is Beco de Pinga, but actually the Dorna is kind of small. There's a restroom right in the corner right there. That was our target street, and then Rosa is around the corner. So so yeah, since he didn't want to be on camera. Anyways, so that's actually also kind of, that's Rosa too. So Rosa goes down like that. And then I think this one is also Rosa too, I think. Anyways, let me just see. We might walk down a little bit further. So I think this is Rosa Street. Yeah, this is also Rosa too. So I think that this would kind of go around in a circle. So this is kind of a labyrinth of kind of cool stuff everywhere. I think I wanted to film, well, actually I'm gonna go down this way. I can hear more like clacking of like mahjong kind of stuff. It's not mahjong, it's something different. I can't remember what they call it. And we're just gonna meander a little bit. Kind of got off my focus a little bit. Anyways, that was Dorna, and that guy was blocking his view, so I feel like I can't really film him properly. So what we're gonna do is walk back towards that. So we're just kind of doing a little labyrinth of stuff. And we're gonna go back to Dorna Street. Pretty cool building right there. And so yeah, actually what I need to do is use the bathroom right there. Okay, so we're gonna come back to the space that I was at. And I'm gonna be using this public bathroom right there. But that was Dorna Street, so this is a public bathroom, and that was Dorna Street. Travessa de Dorna. That's it, okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.